Hello, Taurus. Welcome. Good morning, people. Whatsoever is happening, what are you all doing, guys? We do hope everyone is going good and well in their lives. And let's begin this read, which is all about the mid-August month. I hope it's going to resonate, and you're gonna feel very happy taking this wonderful, wonderful read. Do subscribe, do share, do like, and comment as well. These are general reads. Remember, for the personal read, just tell us through the tarotchark@gmail.com, and everywhere it has a greater access, so you can go for us. You can come to us. You can have a greater conversation through this wonderful details there in the description box. Anywhere in any country you are feeling stuck, you wanna have a greater guidance through the tarot as well as with the astrology, you just can book your personal reading at a very concessional rates. Okay, so what do we have? Okay, we have the Ten of Swords. What else for the lovely Taurus? What else? We have the Ace of Swords. Now I won't be shuffling. Now I'll be picking the cards from the bottom of the deck. 3 important cards. Okay. Taurus. Great. You really are wanting in your heart to get a wonderful position in your life. You feel that you should go for a new beginning. You feel that you should just, put up, maybe just get away from those people who try to, make you feel like you're destroyed. Seriously. You really want to overcome this particular situation which is there inside your heart. You're really heartbroken, guys. And Taurus, I would tell you that when such kind of a thing comes up to you, you just take it into a very different way, Now I feel that inside your heart you have become very much clear about winning, about gaining the victory, about starting a new life, a new journey properly, with a new person also. You really want to let go all those people who were negative in your life, who created negative auras, who were not good for you. You are just ready to let them go away from your life. You have no matters of, thinking about them or anything like that. And it is so much that you are engaged into praying to the God every time, thinking about the God, and manifesting what you really desire and want. Strongly you want a partnership here, strongly, Taurus. You are so much into this reconciliation factor, so much into this thing that you just want to tell that, see, I want to be with you, I want to spend my life with you, I want to shine with you, some things like that. And Taurus, it's all about working hard into the relationship, working hard into new situations, or just after that, when the consequences come, when the results come, you feel that it's all in your favor. That is where it happens. And when it is also not in your favor, still you're working hard towards this one ultimate goal, should not stop. Here is what the universe comes, arises and tells you that you are very pure, Taurus. You're doing so well in your life. You're greatly affecting every goodness, and I would just say that the path you're choosing, you're shining hard. You will be shining hard over there, and you're gonna see the changes pretty soon. I know that you are introvert as well. We also know that Taurus, you people have a lack of expressing problem, I would say. You ultimately are not able to express yourself, and thus miscommunication happens, misunderstandings happens, and it just makes you go into this particular stage where you feel that no one understands you properly. and that is a very heart aching situation where when you see to your left, when you see to your right, and you feel nobody is standing in your favor, everybody is going against you, things are not happening in the right directions, in the right ways, and it is so thus affecting you a lot mentally. It's all the universal guidances. You have to have believe in the universe, you have to pray to the universe, start manifesting goodness, and nice attitude inside yourself will definitely provide you something which is very great and unexpected. I am saying this right now. The universe is very happy. You just go to the universe, speak out loud what you want, what is happening with you, see the way your condition starts to change. Seriously, I'm telling you this thing. When unbelievable kind of situation happens, universe is the only one who can drag you out from that and put you in a good situation. Right or not? Right? So you just have to follow your intuition, tell the universe about your problems, try to connect more with the universe and with your own self, with the intuition. You will really feel that changes have begun. Seriously, I'm telling you. It's also going to be very beautiful, very completing kind of a thing happening, and you will enjoy the process. I'm telling you right now, whatever the situation is, how you're feeling bad or sad about it, don't worry. If you are having faith, if you are keeping belief onto the universe, when it comes and giving, you just won't believe how much he can give you, and what else, and what all things, unexpected things can happen in your life. I can assure you this thing. Wow, Taurus, stay motivated, start to motivate yourself, start doing very well in your life, and go ahead. I would say, please do share this particular video link or our screenshots of our channel on your social media applications, so that we get a good engagements over our channel. Thank you everyone, thanks a lot.